Hi, welcome to my 16th lecture. Average value or DC value of continuous time signal, very important topic. So here, average value of CT signal equal to total area by total time. So in classroom, how will you find the average value? Like suppose 10 students are there, like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So A got 100, 90 marks, 80 marks, 70 marks, 100, 50, 70, 80, 70, 50. So how will you find average mass of this one? So we'll add all these things, total divided by total number of students, 10, right? So like this we'll find average, right? In signals also we'll find average like this only. Average value of CT signal is total area by total time. So we find area of the signal, right? Area of the signal, what we have? Minus infinity to plus infinity x of t dt. Okay, so if you substitute this one, average value of CT signal equal to total area minus infinity to plus infinity x of t dt, right? And total time. So signal for total time is minus infinity to plus infinity, right? So I will write this formula, limit t stands to infinity and 1 by t minus t by 2 to t by 2 x of t dt. See, total area like minus infinity to plus infinity, total area, t stands to infinity here, okay? And 1 by t is total time. This we can apply for non-periodic signal. Coming to periodic signal, t naught, we can consider 1 by t naught minus t naught by 2 to t naught by 2 x of t dt. This is for periodic signal. So whenever they are giving periodic signal, you need to use this formula. Whenever they are giving non-periodic signal, you need to use this formula for finding average value of CT signals. So very important formulas, these two. So let us see this example. Find average value of this signal. Here we need to find average value. It is periodic or non-periodic signal. This is periodic, right? Every t naught is repeating, and it's so on. It is there, right? So it is periodic signal. So average value of the periodic signal equal to what we have? 1 by tau naught minus tau naught by 2 to tau naught by 2 x of t dt. Here that means we need to cover one cycle here, okay? Or we can write this formula same, 1 by tau naught like 0 to tau naught x of t dt. Here tau naught is fundamental time period in seconds. So for periodic signal, one period of area is enough for us. See, this is area, okay? Let us find area of this signal. 0 to tau naught. So here this is tau naught by 2 become, okay, tau naught by 2, we have a naught signal, a naught dt, plus tau naught by 2 to tau naught we have 0 dt. So what is the area of this one? This is a naught t 0 to tau naught by 2, and this is 0. So next here a naught tau naught by 2. Clear? So area we got. Now average value 1 by tau naught, fundamental time period tau naught, and this is area a naught tau naught by 2. Tau naught get cancelled. A naught by 2. Okay. So here we can solve directly also. We need exactly central point. Okay, see here a naught amplitude is a naught and central point is like this is our center, right? Exactly a naught by 2. See this gap, this we need to fill here. Okay, exactly balance middle point we want in the signal, that is the average signal. Fine. So here direct indirect, it is what does it mean is, so we have a 10 students, you assume one got 100, another got 0, one got 100, another got 0, one got 100, another got 0. So in 10 students 5 members got 100, 5 members got 0. Then what is the average value? Obviously, so 10 members, 5 members got 100 plus 5 members got 0 into 0 by total 10 members, right? So yeah, 500 by 10, so 50. So 100 maximum mass, we got average 50, right? So like this here 100 0 100 0 means average is 50. So a naught by 2 we got, right? So let us see example 2. We need to find average value of this signal. Here this is also periodic signal. For periodic signal we have average value 1 by tau naught 0 to tau naught x of t dt, right? So here this fundamental time period is this, from here to here it is repeating, right? 2 tau naught and this is minus tau naught. Okay, so let us find average value. This is tau naught, fundamental time period is tau naught only, and let us find average. This one 0 to tau naught by 2, we have a amplitude a naught by 2 dt plus tau naught by 2 to tau naught minus a naught by 2 dt. So equal to 1 by tau naught. Here if we solve this one, a naught by 2 t 0 to tau naught by 2 minus, right? A naught by 2 t tau naught by 2 tau naught. So 1 by tau naught a naught by 2 tau naught by 2 minus a naught by 2 tau naught minus tau naught by 2, right? 1 by tau naught. So here this one is a naught tau naught by 4 minus here a naught by 2 a naught tau naught by 2. This is get cancelled out. So we got 0 average. See, I said exactly middle point. So here you can assume that like we have 10 students. So in that first one we got 100 marks. Second one got minus 100. You assume negative marks is there. So and third one we got 100. And fourth one we got minus 100. So if you solve average, what you will get? 0 only you will get, right? So here 0 by 10, 0 will get. So here also same, a naught by 2 positive and a naught by 2 negative. So if you take average these two, it is 0 only. Let us see example 3. So what is the average value of this signal? So in this we cannot find directly. We need to go with formula. So what is the formula? Average value of CT signal equal to 1 by T naught 0 to T naught x of t dt. So here we need mathematical representation of this signal. So let us here assume this is a point 0 0 and this is 2 comma 3. So what is the slope equation here? 0 comma 0 and 2 comma 3. So let us write slope equation. Here x axis is t, y axis is x of t. X of t minus 0 and 3 minus 0 by 2 t, right? So mathematical equation x of t equal to 3 by 2 t for 0 less than t less than 2 and minus 4 for 2 less than t less than 4. It is a periodic signal. So we know for periodic signal formula, this is the average of CD signal, for this is periodic signal. What is the T naught fundamental time period? So here to here it is repeating, so 4 seconds. So let us solve this one. 1 by 4 and integral 0 to 2, we have a 3 by 2 t dt plus 2 to 4, we have minus 4 dt. So only one cycle we need to cover, that's it. Okay, either you can start from here to here, but if you start from here, minus 2 to 0, 0 to 2. So next 1 by 4, here 3 by 2 t square, 0 to 2, and this is minus 4, and t 2 to 4. So 1 by 4, 3 by 2, this is 4, minus 4, this is 4 minus 2, 2, right? So 1 by 4, and this is 6, right? 6 minus 8 equal to minus 2 by 4, minus 1 by 2. So average value is minus 1 by 2 here. Minus 1 by 2, like 0.5, minus 0.5, this is the average value. See this, so here it will divide equal, this area should be equal to this area, that's it. So it is balanced now at minus 0.5. Let us find average value of this signal. We know formula, average value of CT signal. So it is periodic signal. So for that we have formula 1 by tau naught, 0 to tau naught, x of t dt, right? So here x of t is, see, 0 0, at 1 we have a 1 only, at 2 we have a 4, so it is t square. Got x of t equal to t square from 0 less than t less than 2. So here what is the fundamental time period tau naught? Equal to 2 seconds. Okay, every 2 seconds it is repeating, right? 1 by 2, 0 to 2 t square dt, 1 by 2 t cube by 3, 0 to 2, 1 by 2 into 1 by 3, this is 2 cube minus 0, 1 by 6, this is into how much? 8. Next 4 by 3 is the average value of this signal. Let us see example 5. What is the average value of this signal? So here x of t we need to find. Here 0 comma 0, it is t is increasing, right, from 0 less than t less than 1, and now it is 1 comma 1, 2 comma 0. So write the equation. Here if you write x of t minus 0, 0 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 is 1, and next t minus 2, so minus t plus 2, minus t plus 2, this is 1 less than t less than 2. So let us find average value of the signal. So 1 by tau naught, 0 to tau naught, x of t dt. Here 1 by tau naught is like we have a fundamental time period is 2, and 0 to 1 we have one signal, t signal we have dt, plus 1 to 2 we have a 2 minus t dt we have. So 1 by 2, this is t square by 2, 0 to 1 plus 2t, 1 to 2 minus t square by 2, 1 to 2. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2, this is 1 plus 2, 1 this one, minus 1 by 2, this is 4 minus 1, 3. So next 1 by 2, 1 by 2, this is 1 by 2 plus 2 minus this is 3 by 2. So next 1 by 2, this is 4, 1 plus 4 minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2, this is 5, 2 by 2, so 1 by 2. So we got average value is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. See, this part of the signal we need to fill with this one. This is equal, right? So now this is balanced signal. So exactly central point we want. Okay, this area is same. This area and this area is same. This area is same. So let us see example 6. What is the average value of this signal? So we know formula for a non-periodic signal. Average value of CT signal is limit t stands to infinity 1 by t minus t by 2 to t by 2 x of t dt. Then why this formula is different? Okay, and periodic signal is different, non-periodic signal is different, right? So let us see here why it is different is, see, if you consider periodic signal, x of t and this is t. So here for periodic signal, what is the average value? So total area by total time. So what is the area of this one triangle? Assume this is A, okay, and this fundamental time period is T naught by T naught. Assume this is A naught by T naught. If you take 2, okay, for a 1 and 2 triangles, average, 2 triangle average, if you take 2 A naught, 2 areas, and this is double, right? T naught plus T naught, 2 T naught. So again A naught by tau naught. And if you take 3 triangles, okay, 3 A naught, average is, area is 3, A naught, A naught, A naught, 3 A naught, and T tau naught, tau naught, tau naught, 3 tau naught. Again you will get A naught by tau naught only. So if you take 100 also, 100 A naught by 100 tau naught, again A naught by tau naught only we are getting. So here, so area is, this A naught means area, right? Minus, like one period of area is enough here, right? 0 to tau naught x of t dt and divided by tau naught, right? So like this we are taking. But non-periodic signal, it is not same, right? See, in your class everyone got 100 marks. Then what is the average? 100 only, right? Directly we can tell it, right? Every student got 100 means 100 marks only. Every student got 50 marks means 50 only. But if you got different values, then you need to consider each and every value, right? So like this, it is non-periodic signal. We need to take this formula. Actually here, instead of for periodic signal, tau equal to this t equal to tau naught. That's it. Just you substitute here, exactly you will get, that's it. Here tau equal to infinity. From minus infinity to plus infinity we are considering. In periodic signal, this tau equal to tau naught. That's it. Here tau naught is fundamental time period. This formula applying is very important. So here, like this range minus t by 2 to plus t by 2, it need to cover all disturbances. Like here, before this there is no, it is 0 only, right? So like so on, so random value I am taking minus tau by 2, and here plus t by 2. Okay, so this any disturbance are there within this range, we need to cover. Disturbance means, yes, 0 to 1 is signal is going, this we need to cover in between, and after that there should not be any disturbance, like it has to be 1 forever, and before this one it should be 0 only. Okay, so this range we need to cover. Now if you write this one, so x of t is 0 for t less than 0 and 1 for t greater than 0, right? So average value of CT signal, limit t stands to infinity 1 by tau, like minus tau by 2 to 0, like here to 0 we have a 0 dt, plus 0 to tau by 2 we have a 1 dt, right? So limit tau stands to infinity 1 by tau, this is 0 completely, this is t, 0 to tau by 2, limit tau stands to infinity 1 by tau, tau by 2, right? This tau get cancelled out, so 1 by 2 is the average value. See here, directly also we can tell average value. In your class 50% members got 0, like you assume 100 members are there, okay? 50 members, in this 50 members got 0 marks, and remaining 50 members got 100 marks, okay? So what is the average now? 50, right? So here we need to make equivalent. See this part completely, 50% of the student got 0 and 50% of the student got 1, then average is 1 by 2, right? Directly also we can tell answer. Now let us see average value of this signal. So it is a non-periodic signal. For non-periodic signal, average value of CT signal is limit tau stands to infinity 1 by tau minus tau by 2 to tau by 2 x of t dt, okay? So here x of t, this range minus tau by 2 to plus tau by 2, all disturbances need to cover, we said, right? So here see, before this one, before this signal is 0 only, minus tau by 2 I am taking. So here minus 2 to it is going minus 1, and minus and 0 to 1 it is increasing, and 1 to 2 it is 1. So see, I so and so value I am taking tau by 2. See, all disturbances are coming in between the signal only. Before that is 0, after that is 1. Okay, all disturbances has to cover within this range. Next, let us apply this one. Limit tau stands to infinity 1 by tau. Now minus tau by 2 to minus 2, we have a 0 signal, 0 dt, plus minus 2 to minus 1, we have a minus 1 dt, plus 1 0, sorry, it is 0, minus 2 to 0 we have a minus 1, and 0 to 1 we have a t dt, right? It is increasing, right? Plus 1 to tau by 2, it is 1 dt, clear? So next, limit tau stands to infinity 1 by tau, so this is 0 completely, and this is minus t minus 2 to 0, plus t square by 2, 0 to 1, plus and this is t 1 to tau by 2, clear? Next, limit tau stands to infinity 1 by tau, this is minus 0 plus 2, plus this is 1 by 2, t square 1 minus 0, plus this is tau by 2 minus 1, right? So next, limit tau stands to infinity 1 by tau, this is minus 2 plus 1 by 2 plus tau by 2 minus 1, right? So limit tau stands to infinity 1 by tau, this will be minus 3 plus 1 by 2 plus tau by 2. So if you simplify little, infinity 1 by tau. So this is how much? Minus 5 by 2 plus tau by 2. Okay, limit tau stands to infinity. So minus 5 by 2 tau plus 1 by 2, right? So I multiplied with 1 by tau to both the terms. Okay, now I am substituting infinity. So this term becomes a 0, remaining 1 by 2. So here you can observe, see 1 is from 1 to infinity is there, and here 0 is minus infinity to minus 2 is there. So this small disturbance will not disturb the average value. So assume that we have an infinite population, in that 50% of the population and 50% of the population. Okay, in that first 50% of the population has 0 weight, they don't have weight. Okay, and remaining 50% of the population have 100 kg weight. Okay, so what is the average now? 50 kgs, right? In that, suppose one or two persons has a like 50 kgs or 20 kgs, but it will not disturb because we are considering for infinity, right? So now let us find average value of this signal. This is defined only from 0 to 1 only. So note, all finite signals have 0 average value. If you want, we can cross check. Okay, so here let us see by formula average value of CT signal. So this is non-periodic signal. I am using limit tau stands to infinity 1 by tau minus tau by 2 to tau by 2 x of t dt. So this disturbances we need to cover here, right? Minus tau by 2 and tau by 2. See, before this one there is no disturbance, after this one there is no disturbance, right? So let us see this. Limit tau stands to infinity 1 by tau minus tau by 2 to 0 dt plus 0 to 1 a naught dt plus 1 to tau naught by 2, so tau by 2 0 dt. So this term is 0, this term is 0, this term is 0, right? So limit tau stands to infinity 1 by tau. So this is a naught t 0 to 1, right? So limit tau stands to infinity 1 by tau. This is a naught. So a naught limit tau stands to infinity a naught by tau. If you substitute tau stands to infinity, it becomes a 0. Get it? All finite signals have a 0 average value. Thank you.